Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the blog today. Today we at Little Kyoto. This is a cool place to come and visit and take a lot of pictures. I'm telling you, you can come here and take you a lot of pictures here. This is another Japanese inspired type garden type place. Here are some of the elements that they have here that you can take pictures of or in front of or with or whatever. This is a very nice place to come though, guys. If you want to even practice your photography or whatever like that, you can come here and take a lot of good pictures, especially on a nice sunny day. Get you a lot of clean shots and stuff like that. I'm out here with, of course, my Lumix S9, and I will be taking some photos and stuff out here with the Lumix S9 of this beautiful garden and these Japanese inspired artifacts. They even have some anime stuff here. I saw some Disneyland stuff, but this is probably about 40 minutes from IT Park, give or take, depending on traffic. So it's pretty easy to come out here. Right now we got clouds and sun, so it's kind of going in and out. And they got a little bit of some Japanese music playing in the background. I don't know if that's gonna do anything with YouTube or anything like that, so we have to see what that's going to do. But for right now, I'm just going to go around, take some more pictures and stuff, and then head off to my next destination, since this was the farthest destination out from the hotel. And we do got a good chance of rain. I've been seeing some rain clouds roll in and roll out. So far, no rain, but who knows about that right there. This is a very mountain, curvy area. And by the way, Google took me on a shortcut, which was right after Tops. Don't take that shortcut. It leads. It goes from a concrete street, narrow, curvy, uphill, to a real crunchy, need to be repaired street, to pretty much no street. And then if you manage to make it through the no street part, which is pretty much dirt and some rocks here and there and a lot of grooves and stuff like that. If you make it through that right there, it is a right-hand turn. So as soon as you see the regular street, it's going to T-bone into the regular street. As soon as you see the regular street, it's going to go to the right. And once you go to the right, just keep straight, and then you'll start seeing the cabs and the tour vans and stuff like that. You know you're at the right location at that point. So don't make that mistake. Go the long way around so that you don't have to take that dirt road, because if you're riding a scooter with two people, it's probably going to be very hard to make it on that shortcut with two people, because it is going to go from pavement to dirt. So definitely watch out for that. But guys, I'm going to go and take some more pictures, and I will get back with y'all when I see a different monument. Alright guys, here is the big Buddha statue. Right back here. That's the big Buddha statue up here, and Little Kyoto. Not sure why they call it Kyoto instead of Tokyo, but here's a nice view. Really nice view out here, so definitely bring your cameras, guys. Definitely bring your cameras. And we're going to head up so we can see this big statue of a transformer. Not a transformer, this is a Gundam. We're going to go up there on the roof, and so we can get a good picture of that. Check this out, guys. This is a Gundam mobile suit. I don't know about you guys, but I did watch most of the anime on Gundams. So this is very, very nice to see a Gundam mobile suit. That's very nice right there, guys. Check out that view of the Philippines. Cebu up in the mountains. Check that out. Guys, this is definitely a good spot to come to if you're going to Tops or Temple of Leia. Definitely come here. There's also a rope course and a zip line near the Temple of Leia, so check that out as well. And there's also a water park. I think it's in the same area, somewhere between the Temple of Leia and Tops. There's also a water park over there, so if you got kids or whatever and it's hot and you want to go, chill down a little bit, they got a water park over there. And it also has some type of things you can do over there besides the water park, but definitely go over there and check this out. But man, that Gundam suit, that's real cool. That right there is awesome, guys. All right, guys, we had a good time in Little Kyoto and at the Rope Adventure Park. The Rope Adventure Park is amazing. A few things. Do not go if you're tired. Even though the course itself is short, do not go if you're tired. I think they had a 123 kilo weight limit on the thing. I was at 90, so it is what it is. But it's 123 kilos there, so just keep that in mind just in case you are over that amount. So you might want to check, make sure you're not over that weight right there. For a park that looks like it's weathered, it's on the mountain. I'm pretty sure you get a lot of rain there. It looks pretty weathered. I didn't hear any of the boards creaking or anything like that. I did see some damaged boards on some of the rope obstacles. So definitely, just make sure you're being mindful and pay attention when you're on the rope course. But you're going to need some upper body strength to do that course. You're going to definitely need some upper body strength to finish that whole entire course, because it's a little bit strenuous as far as your upper body strength goes. they have some balancing some balancing acts that I ain't never seen before. So definitely be prepared for that. They do got some very tricky balancing things, but I saw little bitty skinny Filipinos going through there. Most people was holding back because of fear, because of how the obstacles were. So the obstacles are a little tricky. They might play a little mind trick on you, but you just need to take your time, and you can definitely get through the course. This is my fourth or fifth rope course with zip line, so I'm used to it now. I'm used to how they work. It is tricky. That's all I'm going to say. It is tricky. The course is not very long, but it might take you a long time to go through it, depending on how many people are in front of you. If you don't like the heat, I would say go early morning or late afternoon, so you can be in a cooler climate or whatever. But prepare to sweat. You're going to sweat during that's normal. On any rope course, you're going to sweat. But that rope course is challenging. I didn't think it was going to be that challenging. It is challenging. I slipped, I think, once. And like I said, you got to be mindful. If you ever did a rope course or a zipline course, you know what I'm talking about. You just need to be mindful. So if you do get ready to slip or whatever like that, just be mindful of what you're doing and where your cord is at, so that you don't get, the cord caught up under your arm or something like that crazy. But other than that, the rope course was very, very nice, guys. I really love it. I'm probably going to do it again. They did film the rope course, but you're going to see from the video that they recorded in vertical the whole time, because I didn't have anybody there who could actually record for me but the people that worked at the place. So they recorded everything vertically, so it is what it is. But definitely we got the footage of me doing the rope course and everything, so you can see what it's like, or you already have seen what it's like. Oh, this is the end of the video right here. You know what I'm saying? I done already came back and took me a shower and all of that. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm about to relax and everything like that, cool down and stuff, and grab me something to eat, because like I said, I had fun. That was a very fun course. And Little Kyoto is really great for taking pictures. Take your Filipino out there for sure, your girlfriend, your wife, whoever you got with you, your family. Go out there and take pictures. If you got kids, they're going to definitely love the Transformers. And they got the little anime people out there. And they got the Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse for some reason. I'm not sure what that's about, but it kind of like throw the whole theme off with Mickey Mouse and stuff out there. But yeah, check that place out. It's really hard to go to, and like I said at the beginning of the video, that shortcut Google is trying to make you take right after Tops, don't take that shortcut. That shortcut is going to mess you up. If you're in a car, you're not going to even make it. If you're on a scooter, it's going to be very rough. If you're on a scooter pulling somebody riding with you on a scooter, it's going to be really rough to get through that little rough section. Keep on going down until you get to where they got construction in the road, and then take the left. And that's the proper way to go to get to the location. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just don't take the shortcut Google is going to try to give you. So make sure you go far from Tops before you make that left-hand turn, and you'll be safe on that right there. Drink you plenty of water, because it is hot. Like I said, it was supposed to rain today. We didn't get any rain. The sun came out, so that was amazing. We was able to get some good photos and stuff taken, so that was good. You know what I'm saying? So it's always good when it works out like that. It actually wasn't that much traffic going up there. You know what I'm saying? And it wasn't that much traffic coming back, so that was good also. So make sure you plan your trip wisely, or plan it on the weekend or whatever. Now there is another adventure park up there where you can zip line and stuff, and I'm going to try to look that up again, and I'm going to try to hit that one up probably tomorrow or the next day or whatever like that, so that I can hit the other zip line spot. And I might actually try to do some of Cebu waterfalls that's in this area, not Calasan, that's South Cebu, but some of the waterfalls that's near the location where I'm at. I'm going to try to see if I can get some of those. But right now, as you can see outside, if the camera can focus, there we go. If you can see outside, yes, it's a good looking day out there today. So definitely a good looking day to be in Cebu, even though it is, like I said, it is hot. But right now, it's still a good day outside, you know what I'm saying? I might go and actually hit the swimming pool or something like that after I get me something to eat. and chill out and get ready to edit some videos because I need to definitely get that done right there. But 2 good spots to hit extra: Little Kyoto and the rope course. The rope course is actually right by the Temple of Leia. It's the same road that you take to go to the Temple of Leia, but when you first go in there, it's a very, very sharp right, and then you just follow that on up, pay the security guard to get through there, and just keep going all the way to the end, and you'll run into the rope course. Pay them, I think it's 150 pesos. Pay them the 150 pesos, and you are golden, my guy. You know, I think Little Kyoto is 100 pesos or 120 pesos, something like that. So it's not bad either. Like I said, it's 2 good spots for you to go and chill at. And if you guys wondering, this video is shot on the Odro M5 pocket gimbal. So check that video footage out, see how you like that camera footage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. And I will catch you on the next video. Peace.